Another type of joint that we can use is something called a dowel joint, which means we're going to drill a hole in two pieces of wood, put a bit of doweling in, and it's used that to connect that together, and it increases the strength because it's got the bit of dowel running through the two bits of material there. So that gives a nice strong joint, and it's also reasonably straightforward to manufacture because you only need to mark out and use a pillar drill. Now the difficulty in marking out a dowel joint is we need to drill a hole in one piece of wood and drill a hole in another piece of wood, and they need to match up exactly. Now to do that, I'm going to take my marking gauge and I'm going to use that to mark on the centre bit of this material. Then I'm going to use that to mark the position of my dowel. I like it there. Then I'm going to use my pillar drill to drill a hole. Once I've drilled my hole with the right sized drill for the dowel, in which case in this case it's a 9mm hole that I've drilled for a 9mm dowel, I'm going to put the doweling pin in. I'm going to pop it in there, and it's got a little spike on it. And then I'm going to use that, and I'm just going to press that in to where I'd like the other hole to be. And I can firmly press the two bits together. And then when I take it back out again, it's marked the position of where I want to drill the other hole. Okay, now that I've drilled the holes in one and I marked the position of the dowel with the doweling pin, I can now put a bit of doweling in, pop it in here, and I know they're going to line up with each other. And my doweling joint.